And you would think that coming up with an invention and getting a working prototype would be the hardest part of the job, but it wasn't. It took me about 3 months to get a working prototype, but it took me over a year to get a working production line. The production line itself was manufactured with the CNC machine I have out in the garage and a 3D printer and a CAD/CAM system I have up in my office. It took well over a year and countless hours of engineering and brainstorming to come up with this, but I was adamant. I was not going to go to another country to have this manufactured. I want it manufactured here. To start it, this entire line will finish an absorption washer. The front of the line, you have a die cutter that cuts a shape into the paper. It moves on to the chemical infusion module that puts the chemical on there that is thirsty for the corrosive liquid that the battery is leaking. After it's been infused onto the strip of die-cut paper, this paper then enters the carousel machine, and the machine is rotating just like a carousel. The die-cut paper enters the machine, and each one of those discs is folded and compressed in such a way that when it's being activated by the chemical leaking from the battery, it will unfurl like an airbag in a car. And at the end of the line, they get sucked up into this collection chamber, and you get absorption washers that are ready to be attached to the shield and then packaged.